To create a password for the screen time settings on iPhone 16e, we need to go to the settings, then scroll down to find screen time, scroll down again to find lock screen time settings. So let's select this option. Now we need to provide the passcode for the screen time that we want to set, and then re-enter the same password. And in addition to that, we are suggested to use our Apple account in order to be able to recover the screen time passcode if we forget it. So of course, feel free to provide the email or phone number for the Apple account that will be used in order to reset the password, and then you can press OK. But you are not forced really to use it, so you can simply press cancel in the top left corner and then press skip in order to not include the recovery method. And that's pretty much it. Now if we go back from the settings, from the screen time settings, and if we try to make some changes in the screen time settings, we will be asked to provide the passcode that we used over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!